The last setup I have for you guys is on Euro USD. Now on the weekly time frame, you can see how price had a spike above 1.115, had a rejection, and then price immediately came back down to form this bearish body, indicating that now bears are now entering the market and wanting to push price back towards the downside. This right here is a candlestick pattern called the bearish pin bar, and this does indicate that bears are now starting to take control of the market. And because of this, I do have a bearish bias on this. I also have some other confluences lining up as well to confirm our bearish bias, one of them being this right here. So as you guys can see on the daily time frame, after forming this double bottom reversal chart pattern, price formed a bullish market structure for some time, with the higher high being here, the higher low, higher high, higher low. But interestingly enough, price failed to create a higher high over here, but instead broke below this higher low, proving that the bullish market structure is now broken, and we will now see price continue to push back towards the downside as the bears are now taking over the market. Now on the 4-hour time frame, I would like to see price, let me just fix this, 1.11050, let's make it a round number. You can see for us to actually enter this trade, I would like to see a price come up for this retest and then a continuation back towards the downside. However, if this does not occur, then we would have to simply wait for the next mini level of resistance to be taken out before looking for a potential sell opportunity. Now, this right here would be an amazing trade for us, as we would be looking for a potential gain of around 180 pips. So around 180 pips is what we would be making, and our risk would only be about 30 to 25 pips. So this right here would be a very good trade. If scenario 1 does not take place and price continues to push back towards the downside and breaks this level of resistance, then we would be targeting the same level of 1.09250, which would be around 140 pips. And our stop loss would just be around 30 to 25 pips here as well. So either way, I'm prepared to take a trade on Euro USD, and of course I will be sending out a signal when I think it is appropriate to enter the market. But before I send out that signal, I do want to let you guys know I will be waiting for the daily closure just to confirm that this bullish market structure is actually going to break and price will continue to push back towards the downside.